Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you're ready to jump into the awesome world of robome, huh? That's great. We're going to do a quick, super simple, step-by-step guide to get the software installed the right way so you can get straight to your coding adventure.
Yeah, I love this way of thinking about it. We're not just running some boring installer. No way. Think of this as the very first quest on your epic coding journey. So, with that in mind, let's get this quest started. So, here's our game plan. It's just 4 simple steps. That's it. First, we'll create your account, and we're going to make sure we do it the right way. Then, we'll track down your course materials, install the main app, and finally, we'll launch it and log in. Simple, right? Let's do it. All right, first things first. Part 1, creating your robome account. This is basically the foundation for everything else we're going to do, so let's make sure we nail this.
Now, right off the bat, there's a common little mix-up that can totally stop you in your tracks. Which website are you actually supposed to use?
Okay, this slide right here is super important. It clears everything up. You might see some older guides pointing you to robo.me.net, but you can just ignore that. The one and only site you need is www.robogram.net. Got it? So again, just go directly to robogram.net to create your account.
So, go ahead and open up your browser and head to www.robogram.net. Look to the top right corner, and you'll see a login button. Go ahead and give that a click. And right there, you can't miss it, there's a big yellow sign up button. That's your ticket in.
Awesome work! Your account is created, which means you now have access to the members-only area. So let's build on that in part 2 and go find your course materials.
Okay, once you're logged in, just look back at that top right corner for the menu icon. Click it, and from that dropdown, you're going to select Members Only. From there, click on My Page. This is kind of like your personal hub. You'll see your course listed there, so just find it and click Open Web Textbook. Easy peasy. Okay, account created? Check. Textbook located? Check. All the prep work is officially done. And now for the main event. Part 3, let's get that Avatar app installed on your computer.
To grab the app, you'll want to find the website's notice board. Just look for a post that's titled robome Avatar 1.2 Download. Inside that post, you'll find the download link. Just click that and let the magic of the internet do its thing.
Once that's downloaded, find the file and double-click it. Now, you might see a security warning pop up from Windows. Don't panic, this is super common with new software because Windows is just being a little overcautious. It's really nothing to worry about.
And the fix is incredibly simple, just like you see here. First, just click where it says More Info. That'll make a new button appear that says Run Anyway. Click that, and the installation will get right back on track.
All right, we are so close. We're on the final stretch of the installation now, and believe it or not, you are literally just 3 clicks away from being completely finished. And here they are, the final 3 clicks. First, you've got to check the I agree box for the terms. Next, and this is a pro tip, make sure you leave the Create a Desktop Shortcut box checked. It'll make your life way easier later. And then, just hit that big Install button. That's it. Your computer takes it from here. And just like that, installation complete. Welcome to the final, and honestly, the most exciting part, launching the app and logging in for the very first time. You should now see that brand new robome icon sitting right on your desktop. Go ahead, give it a double click. It's going to ask you to log in, and all you need to do is use the exact same ID and password you just made on the website a few minutes ago. Yep, it's that simple.
And you're in. Mission clear. Seriously, congratulations. You are all set up and officially ready to roll. You've gotten through all the prep work, the groundwork is laid, and now the real coding adventure can finally begin.
Your journey officially starts right now. You've got this incredible tool at your fingertips, which really just leaves one last question to ask. What are you going to create first?